Hello, group 2. So for our group 2, you have chosen the princess photo or the princess photo or the queen. The queen, I consider it as a queen but it's actually naghahanap ako ng queen na photo pero ito princess, no? So anyway, I actually know with the photo itself that you have chosen, no, na klarong-klaro that you have that personality type na who's a princess or a queen type na you have you're very much a ladylike or possibly then that you are fan of fantasies or you are a type of a person who is actually very independent. Posible mahilig sa cosplay or something or no like ano to yung type of a person who's actually very no my personality of can be can be a queen, can be a princess. Parang ganun. So, let's see kung ano bang sasabihin ng cards for you. Thank you for choosing this group 2. Let's see kung ano bang i-expect natin by next week for you. So, first and foremost is King of Swords. Tapos, Four of Swords, the Chariot card, the Sun card, the Tower card. So, the King of Wands, Ace of Swords, Six of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Temperance card, Three of Swords, okay, and then the Eight of Wands, okay. So, I should say that no by next week you will definitely moving out from your current situation. You will leave behind kahit masakit, kahit medyo mahirap for you to decide this, to move on and to move out. Okay? So by next week there could be more movement, more travel. So there could be trips, traveling, and possible then that there is some kind of good news that you will receive about travels, about approval, about something that you are looking forward. Okay? So, mas magaan yung feeling mo by next week because you will feel the sense of freedom. Okay? So, the freedom to choose, the freedom to decide to choose being happy. So there is so much like there is a sense of happiness talaga by next week yung nakikita ko dito. Like you are looking forward for happy so siguro lately that you are coming from the darkness or nasa awakening period ka, siguro sobrang hirap and struggling yung sitwasyon mo, you're into the dark moments of your life in terms of relationships, in terms of your situationship, in terms of all aspects sa buhay mo. Siguro wala kang nakikita, you are blinded, you can see that the light or sobrang hirap ng sitwasyon mo siguro for the past months or past weeks. Okay? And by next week, there is really kumbaga, the sun will shine for you by next week. You will become more happier, you become more joyful because of this good news that you will receive by next week. In all forms, itong good news na to, it could be that, again, sinabi ko nga, there could be short trips, there could be travels, and there is more movement, no? There is more movement and there is flow next week. So you are coming out no from the darkness, but and you are moving towards more happier and joyful na week next week. So this actually is a major transformation din sa buhay mo. Um, so, kumbaga, you will walk out, no? You will walk out from this low vibration na situation into becoming the queen next week, who is actually mas mafe-feel mo yung sense of security para sa sarili mo. You will feel more stronger um, next week, stronger in the sense of decisions. You will pursue your happiness next week. So, kaya mong iwan lahat for kumbaga pipiliin mo yung sarili mo by next week. So, I can see here that there is like by next week it will be a success story for you, no? Like there are so many things that actually could happen by next week. It's a major movement for you, no? So coming out from the darkness towards hope, towards happiness, okay? And I can see here na you are definitely taking action towards yung goal mo or yung vision mo na nakapending na hindi mo magawa-gawa. By next week, you will come out like a queen na ipupursu mo talaga tong gusto mong gawin by next week. So, in any forms or in any decisions that you're going to make, you will definitely be more and much happier by next week. It's very positive yung energy by next week eh. So, if in case for the previous weeks, previous months, like total darkness, nangangapa ka, wala ka makita, by next week, you will see the light. You will actually, kumbaga, you will be opening, no? Parang papasok ka on a major transformation sa buhay mo. Papasok ka sa doorway of a transformation, transformative because in the sense na iiwan mo yung old you to be a new you. You will walk towards your happiness. You will walk towards your passionate endeavor. You will walk towards your goal na para sa sarili mo. Okay? So, okay, the teardrop, booth, grapes, and the rose. Okay. So, with your messages then, I can see here that there is a great personal sorrow. So, siguro, for the moment na makita mo to, siguro nasaktan, heartbroken, may nawala sa'yo, nagpapabigat sa puso mo, and I can see here that with the boots then no na lumabas dito that increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goal. So meaning to say with the sorrow and in connection sa message kanina na you will walk out no with the boots, you will walk out talaga like a queen by next week. So there is like a transformation in terms of confidence level. So kung low time mo this week or the previous months, next week you will level up, no? Grapes pala, time to go out and have fun. So tapos na yung moment mo no na mag umiyak, and this is actually already your moment to have fun, okay? Tapos rose, so romance is in the air. So most probably then na may mamimit kang new person that will actually improve your feelings or may emotional connection kayo by this person. So, good luck po, Group 2. Salamat po sa pagpili ng group na to. Ingat po. See you again for the next video and reading natin.